What's going on, everyone? Captain Spiffy here to introduce the Denago Rover XL, and behind me is the scarlet red Denago Rover XL. All 4 seats facing forward. We're going to do a quick walkthrough video just so you guys can know some more about the Denago Rovers. So to start off, you got the 23-inch tires, all terrain for off-roading and on-roading with the 14-inch wheels. And you got a nice brush guard here that protects the front cowl right there. That has a light bar also in the front. As you can see, it's glowing and it's shining as well. Your daytime runners, your headlights, brights, whole 9 yards on this Denago Rover here with a hood that pops open as well. As you can see right there, nice little space in that front hood right there. Clamp it back on. Foldable windshield, everyone's favorite. We love it. Protects you from any bugs or a lot of wind that's coming through, but also has air vents as well. That you can get some airflow going on right there. All right. With this Rover, you got your fender flares right there, right? Nice and stylish, so no mud or anything can flick up on you while you're driving. Side view mirrors with turn signals. So you can see everyone's favorite. You can see it right there. People can see you, and you can tell that you have them on too as well. As you can see, boom, you're taking a left turn right there. Anyway, we're going right here to the car. You got the lockable glove box here. Nice space in both of them as well. You also have your 10-inch display screen that reads your battery percentage. It reads your miles per hour. It reads your odometer, and it'll tell you if you're in neutral, drive, reverse, or speed mode. And when you click on it, you can see you have different options. You connect to Apple Carplay, you can go to different settings, you can mess with the soundbar equalizer. If you want some more beat in your soundbar, you can do that. Has a radio, has LED glows for your speaker as well. Nice little screen here. Go back to the home screen, and you have USB ports that come with it. Got 4 cup holders on the dash as well. And the most neat thing about this cart is you start with a key card. Turn it on with this bad boy, and you turn it off. Now, they come with the custom floor mats from Denago. Really nice design, little diamond stitching there. Got the Nerf bar side steps, you know, for people that need to get up and down easy. There you go. Denago has it. Don't have to worry about purchasing that as an aftermarket piece. And moving towards the back here, on the back front seat, you got extra cup holders for people here. You got arm bars. You got a little cubby space here as well that Denago put on. Also USB port at the bottom there. Nice armrest on each seat. Very comfy, very stylish. I know a lot of people love them, and Denago has them. Now, a lot of people may know that when you charge your car, you have to go right directly under here. But no, we're filling up the tank today, baby. Boom, right there, you're filling up the tank. That's how you charge your cart. Plug it into a 110 outlet, you're good to go. Towards the back here, you got the storage trunk that is lockable. Storage trunk that has nice deep space with it. And it's also removable just in case you want to get a golf bag attachment and you want to go hit some golf balls. Backup camera down there, as you can see, the Denago logo on the soundbar. Really nice and shining chrome. LED glows on that soundbar. Really nice. Nice sound that comes with those speakers. And you got 2 hidden speakers right under the front dash as well. We love this golf cart. You got a lithium battery in here. Everyone loves lithium. 51 volt, 105 Denago lithium battery that comes with it. You don't want to miss out on this Denago Rover XL. If you don't want all forward facing, don't worry, because Denago also has the Nomad XLs. They're Nomads. They have 6-seaters as well. So they have their Rover XL6 or all 6 seats facing forward, which is called the Rover XXL. Captain Spiffy has it. We love them. We want you guys to love them, and you don't want to miss out. This Rover XL here is retailing for $10,499, $1,000 off on a cash deal, or you can take advantage of the 0% financing through Sheffield Financial. Don't want to miss out on this, boys and girls. 765-299-0433 or 317-218-4474. Captain Spiffy in Lafayette and in Carmel have the Denago Rovers in any model, any style. Call us.